Have you ever pondered over the thought of making money right from the comfort of your couch? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to unravel 5 intriguing ways to make money online. First up, we have affiliate marketing. Imagine being a virtual salesman, but instead of going door to door, you're connecting with potential customers through the World Wide Web. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of a company and earning a commission on each sale made through your referral link. It's a classic win-win situation where you get paid for simply sharing what you love. Next on the list is online tutoring. If you're gifted in a particular subject or skill, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? With the advent of digital learning platforms, teaching has transformed from a classroom-bound profession to a global opportunity. Whether it's math, music, or Mandarin, there's a student out there waiting to learn from you. Third, we delve into the realm of freelance writing. If you have a way with words, this could be your golden ticket. Companies and individuals are constantly in need of content, be it blog posts, social media updates, or technical articles. The best part? You're your own boss, choosing when to work and what projects to take on. Our fourth contender is selling handmade goods or digital products online. If you have a knack for creating unique items or are a whiz at designing digital assets like templates or graphics, platforms like Etsy or Shutterstock offer a marketplace to sell your creations to a worldwide audience. Finally, we have stock photography. If you have a good eye for capturing stunning images, why not monetize your talent? Websites like Getty Images or iStock allow you to sell your photos to businesses, bloggers, and publishers who are in constant need of high-quality visuals. Making money online isn't a myth. It's a reality being lived by millions around the globe. It's about leveraging your skills and interests and connecting with the right audience. The internet is a vast ocean of opportunities. It's just about finding your niche. So here's a challenge for you. Pick one of these 5 ways and give it a go. Dive in, explore, and who knows, you might just stumble upon an exciting new venture or a profitable side hustle. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. It's your time to start. Turn your online presence into a money-making venture. Embrace the digital world and make it work for you.